5 easy protein snacks to power your weight loss journey. When it comes to weight loss, snacking smart is key. High-protein snacks can keep you satisfied between meals. They boost metabolism and maintain muscle mass, all while keeping those cravings in check. Let's dive into some delicious options. First up, a Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts for a tasty snack. Next, we have veggie sticks with hummus. Carrots, celery, or bell peppers dipped in protein-rich hummus are perfect. Turkey or chicken roll-ups are portable and savory. Wrap slices around avocado or veggies for a low-calorie treat. Cottage cheese with fruit is another great choice. It's high in protein and natural sweetness. Delicious. Finally, create your own protein-packed trail mix. Combine unsalted nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate for energy on the go.